from. So total machine hours on spent on his order 288 plus 160. So that's why this is 480 here. So many students are confused where this 48 are coming from. This is 200 for lifelong plus 288 machine hour for show start and 160. 288 plus 160. 4848. Sorry about that. Yes. And it's one customer. $1,540 is here. So this customer, ECMA Auto Parts, what is the cost of this customer? Which kind of cost? Overhead. It's not about the, how much is the total cost of this, customer? No, overhead cost. Overhead. Still, direct material, direct labor, shipping cost is there. Okay? So that will be total product cost. Right? This is overhead. So many students, they are confused. This is the product cost here. No, this is the overhead cost to this particular one customer. Subhan, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Pinyo, you understand? Pinyo?
No Pinyo here, sir.
Oh, sorry. Junpyo, my bad. So Pinyo was my accounting class, financial accounting class student. So I just confused you. Sorry, Junpyo.
No problem, sir. Yes, sir.
Ali.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, now I have a class participation exercise for you. So I'm making just one breakout room activity. All you need to do, you need to find out, determine the total overhead to be assigned to each product listed above. So there are two products, K425 and M67. All you need to do, you need to find out how much is the overhead cost. Activity rates are given to you. It's pretty simple. Okay? So please take a picture. Please take a picture. Let me set up the breakout room. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to solve this question. So those who are watching online, so I'm going to be pausing the video here and we are going to resume after the breakout room activity. So please guys join our breakout room activity. Okay class, welcome back after the breakout room activity. So that's the beauty of making you understand, right? So I have seen the answer here. You did a pretty good job. All you need to do, just multiply with the activity rates. Simple. So now you understand, it's just a fancy way of saying words. Activity based costing, first stage allocation, second stage allocation. Now you need to apply activity rates based on cost drivers, and the answer is going to be activity cost, overhead cost, right? It's just a fancy way of saying things, but in reality, it is simple. So I'm glad that you understand that. So the product K425 answer is 1,874. For product M67, answer is 10,540. Right? Let's move forward. So here comes our last learning objective for this chapter. Use activity-based costing to compute product and customer margin. Right? Up till now, what we have discussed? To find out product overhead, to find out customer overhead. How much how much the manufacturing overhead is applied to this customer, or how much manufacturing overhead costs to this customer, how much manufacturing overhead costs to this product. But now we are finding out how much is the margin, right? Let's just talk about that. So we are continuing the same example here. We have given the direct material, direct labor, and shipping cost as well, because these are easy to trace. So we do not apply ABC costing here. So these are just add it is. All we need to do, we need to add the ABC overhead. That's it. Sale minus direct cost minus overhead cost, answer would be the margin. Simple. Right? Sale minus cost is equal to profit. Sale minus direct cost and minus indirect cost is called the margin. Right? Let's just see that. So, on sure start, we have calculated on customer orders are this, customer order size is this, on long life, customer orders this, design chain this and that. So total is here. So you see, why not others here? Because others do not apply either on long life, either on short start. So other going to be on a separate list here. Others. Right? So you see, if you less the sale minus direct cost, which is given to us, these three are given to us, and these are the ABC overhead cost. So sale minus all these costs total to 22 million. So this is the short start product margin, and this is the long life product margin, which is a loss. Right? Now question arises, it's pretty simple. Then why we need to do that one? Right? Why we are learning this ABC costing? It's pretty simple. They have a fancy jargon, they have fancy terminologies, but overall, the analysis and all the stuff is pretty simple. It's like a basic mathematics, right? So then why we are using this, method of costing to find out product margin? We know that product margin is sale minus all the cost, sale minus direct cost and indirect cost, sale minus direct cost and the overhead cost, we find out the margin. So what is the beauty here, right? So beauty lies here when we find out which product is giving us loss and which product is giving us profit. So we'll see that if we base our analysis on traditional costing, then we realize that, okay, I think I should explain it in our next slides. So up till now, so this is the product margin here, and less customer relation and other cost here. So we have total loss to the company, which is $2 million. So here you find out that Sure Start is giving us $8.37 million margin, while the long life is giving us a loss of 1.132 million. Right? Now, how this is important? Here we go. Oh, sorry. So, okay. So from here, you can find out if I can show you the very first slide. I hope I can show you the complete data here. do we have there? Let me see. I want to show you something. Oops. Here we go. So the beauty of